How to download and install a ASINASIN browser extension in your computer. Visit the extension download page, select your browser and click to download and install to download the latest version. Click to show in the folder. Extract the zip file in its default name. Open your browser, copy this text, open a new tab, paste it, and click Enter. Turn on the developer mode, click Load and Packed, and select the file you have just extracted. If you can see the ASINASIN extension card there, congratulations! You have successfully installed the extension.